Hello, this is Maxwell here, and I'm going to take you through a lesson on JavaScript, okay, a web development programming language. Alright, so this is going to be a very short lesson on an array. Alright, so what is an array? Alright, so an array is a set of items of the same nature or of the same character. Okay, so we can have an array of numbers, or we can have an array of foods, we can have an array of objects. Okay, so an array is a collection of items of the same character or of the same nature. Alright, so on this screen you can see we have an array, okay, an array of numbers 1 to 5. Okay, and in JavaScript we can assign a value to this array. So this is the name of the array. This array is called an array. Okay, we can call it any name you want. Okay, but I've decided to call it an array. Alright. So if I want to know the index of each element, okay, I want to know what index is 1, what index is 2, what index is 3, what index is 4. Alright. What I have to just do is to do console.log. Okay, then I bring my array, okay, and then I bring a square brackets, and then the index that I'm looking for, or the index of the element I'm looking for. So if I want 1, element 1, the element 1 index is 0, so I just put 0 here. Okay, so let's come and look at our console and let's see what value has 0. Okay, so in our console you can see 1. Okay, you can see 1 here. So 1 has an index of 0. Okay, if I want 2 has an index of 1, element 2 has an index of 1. So if I type 1 here, okay, and then I go to my console, you will see that we are going to get 2. Okay, so element 2 has an index of 1. Okay, so we have index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4. So we have 4 indexes. Alright, if I want to know the number of elements in this array, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if I want to know the number of elements in this array, I can console.log. Okay, I'll just bring my array like this, and then I'll just type dot length. Okay, the dot length property. Okay, so the dot length will tell you the number of items in the array. So here to give us 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go to our console and see. So in our console, we should be able to see 5, but it looks like it's not coming. So let me see what the problem is. Let me see array.length. Okay, so we have 5. Okay, we have 5. So it means this array has 5 elements. Okay. Now, if I want to remove the last element in this array, okay, I want to remove the last element, we can use a property called pop. Okay, pop property. Okay, we can use what we call pop. So to do that, I'll just do console.log, then array.pop. Okay, so it will pop out the last element in the array. Okay, it will pop out the last element in the array. So we'll have 5. So let's go to our console and see whether we have 5. Okay, so that is the 5, the second 5 here. Okay, so that's the pop property. So now if I console log array, I will get 4 elements because we have taken out the 5. So if I do console.log and I type array, it should give me 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's see whether we will get 4. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, because we have popped out the element 5. Okay, but if I comment out this, okay, if I comment out the pop, we should then get 5 elements. And I'll refresh. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's it for today's lesson. See you next time. Bye.